In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the latest version of Zash Loan app. So to get the latest version of Zash Loan, you need to go ahead and update this app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So I have here my Zash Loan app, and to update it, I'll need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android and App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and then click on it. Then search for Zash Loan. As you can see, it is here. Now, if you tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available. This means I've been using an outdated version of Zash Loan app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Zash Loan. And then once the download is done, it will install it. From here now, you can see we have an option to open and start using the latest version of Zash Loan app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.